Hi, this is Alex Short in the OGP Customer Center in Rochester, New York, introducing SmartScope M130, the all-new large format member of the SmartScope M series family. For leading manufacturers producing large, heavy parts, SmartScope M130 is the perfect choice, ushering in the next generation of enhancements in image accuracy, optics, and throughput provided by SmartScope M series systems in a large format, 3D multi-sensor video measurement platform. With a robust standard XYZ travel of 790 by 815 by 200 millimeters, optional 3 or 400 millimeter Z-axis, and a payload capacity of 75 kilograms, SmartScope M130 offers next-generation M-series benefits to manufacturers producing large parts. A new innovative base design results in a lower stage height, allowing users to load and unload heavy parts or oversized fixtures with ease. Like every SmartScope M series system, M130 features the patented IntelliCentric M optical system, consisting of fixed optics with a 20 megapixel camera and proprietary virtual zoom technology. The streamlined optical system employs a variety of exclusive technologies, allowing for instant mag changes throughout the same zoom range as a traditional mechanical zoom system, resulting in faster runtime while requiring far less downtime for maintenance. M130 takes full advantage of the advanced edge detection algorithms, parallel processing, and routine optimization found in Zone 3 Metrology software to deliver advanced throughput, accuracy, and repeatability for manufacturers in any industry. SmartScope M130 is the ideal choice for manufacturers making large parts that require advanced throughput solutions. The IntelliCentric M optical system, combined with advanced sensors, illumination, and accessories, and powered by Zone 3 software, achieves class-leading optical measurement results.